Hey guys, good morning. I hope you all are doing great, and most importantly, you people are safe in this pandemic situation, guys. I hope you to be safe and you and your family. So guys, today I will show you about my 5 different kinds of healthy breakfast, guys. Please see this video till end because I am telling you guys that foods can be both healthy and tasty. Just you have to choose it correctly and eat the correct food, eat it in correct way, right proportion, guys. So I just wake up 1 hour ago, I brush my teeth, wash my face, have my hot water with honey and lemon in it, guys. You should have something which is very good drink in morning, like something like hot water, cinnamon tea, ginger tea, anything you can drink just of your choice. And now I will show you 5 different kinds of healthy breakfast, guys, and there are 3 more episodes coming of the healthy food like healthy lunch, healthy snacks, healthy dinner. Please stay tuned for those videos and see those videos also, which will help you in your weight loss journey. And if you are not in a weight loss journey, guys, then also you can have healthy food, because the main motto of life is to be healthy, not being slim or fat, just to be healthy. If you're trying to be healthy, you can automatically get slim and in a good figure. So guys, please see this video till end. Subscribe my channel, guys, to be notified whenever I post a new video. And without any further ado, guys, let's get into the video.
My favorite kind of breakfast is like a bowl full of fruits and a bowl full of local fruits which are available in the local market, guys. Here comes the second kind of breakfast. It's a bowl full of dry fruits and 1 egg, guys. So we are afraid of taking egg in our weight loss journey because we think if we're taking egg you will consume weight, but it's not at all true. I will not eat so much of dry food. I will take 2 almond, 2 kaju, 2 dates, or 3 or 4 pieces of kismis, and I love this thing. And if you are in a weight loss journey, guys, I will suggest you to eat at least one egg every day, because protein, carbs, must thing for our body. We should give our body everything to function. Guys, here comes my third kind of breakfast. Now I will show you how to make brown bread, like how I eat my brown bread. So my mom is helping me to do this because I am holding my phone to make this video. So first I am just giving 1 piece of bread and with some butter. This is 1 pinch of butter, guys. Today I am showing you by this way. Just chop onions, chop tomato, chop cucumber, coriander, black pepper and salt, and 2 pieces of bread. Guys, you can just eat it in your own way. I will suggest you not to eat sandwiches outside because it's lot of cheese and mayonnaise in it. So if you are in a weight loss journey, or if you want to be fit, so eat it in your home with just using your personal thing, like your personal choices. You can use soya, paneer, chicken, veggies, mashed potatoes, anything you like, but I prefer to eat like this way. So now I will show you how I make simple and easy sandwich, guys. I will suggest you not to use white bread. So eat brown bread, guys. You can make your brown bread in your own way. And here is come oats ka chilla, guys. As I told you, foods can be healthy and tasty both. So chilla is really tasty and delicious and healthy. So you can have oats chilla, ya egg chilla, ya atta chilla, anything you like. It's all healthy. And today I'm having oats chilla with very minimum thing, like only with coriander, tomato, onion, green chili and salt, and nothing more than that. Now I will show you how to make oats. It takes 1 cup of oats, plain oats, not any masala oats, only plain oats. I mix it in mixer grinder. Now comes my oats ka chilla. It's very healthy, very tasty, very easy to make. I am eating it with tomato ketchup. You can eat it with anything you want, like pudina ka chutney, anything you want, but also you can also eat chutney as you wish. All the ingredients was there. I mixed it all: 1 egg, atta, sugar, and baking soda and banana. Now I will just mix it with a hand blender. My mixture is ready of my pancake. You have to add some water to make a good mixture. Now I'm adding just some oil in the pan to make the pancake, and let's see how I do it. My pancake is ready, guys. It's very tasty, very healthy. I just add some honey on the top and 2 banana just slice. So just comment me what food you like the most in the 5 different types of breakfast, and what did you try in your home. Please let me know, guys.